Hey lovelies, hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. If you're an oldie but a goodie, it's always my pleasure to see you. If you're new, what up? My name is Amanda and we talk about beauty, hair, fashion, lifestyle topics on this channel. Today I have a really quick video for you guys. I just wanted to come in because my purchase from Sephora.com has just arrived and it is very exciting because I have the new Fenty products. So this is a unboxing, a first look, an initial look at the new products from the Fenty Beauty line collection. So without further ado, if you're interested in seeing these new products, please stay tuned. Sticking around. So as you guys know, or if you don't know, Fenty Beauty recently launched some new beauty products in their skin, in their like foundation and concealer department, as well as their finishing powder. So I do have those products here. So here we go. This is the new concealer. It is a full color range and it's supposed to be in collaboration with the foundation. So example, if you're 450 in foundation, then ideally you're supposed to be 450 in the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer by Rihanna. Okay, so let's see what it says here. This says instant photo soft coverage for all, long wear, light as air, crease proof. Okay, I can dig it. You get 0.27 fluid ounces. This retails for $26.99 and I went ahead and got color 430. Even though in the foundation, I do have this foundation. I am wearing it currently. I do love this foundation. This is the only foundation that I've been wearing basically since I bought this product sometime last year. This is my second bottle. This retails for about 40 bucks. Very affordable and the color range is phenomenal. In this particular product I do wear shade 440. However, in the concealer I did go ahead and purchase color 430 just because with concealer you kind of wanted it to go be a little bit brighter than your foundation. At least in this case, because I have plenty of other foundation that is my close match to my skin tone, so I just wanted something a little bit lighter. Okay, so let's get her out of here. She is packaged in here quite tight. Okay. Come on, concealer, come out. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, so first thoughts, it looks exactly like the foundation, right? It's like a little miniature version, which is really cute because now you can have it in your little collection and you can travel with it and it all matches and it's cohesive and it's real slick and sophisticated. You know, I can dig it. So let's go ahead and get into it and see how this color is. Okay. Doesn't have a smell to it. Okay. Oh wow. Wow. So yeah, I think this is gonna look nice under the eyes. I think it will add like a nice little brightening up effect without it being like too ridiculous. I do have a full face on now, so I'm not gonna add anything on top of it. I'm just gonna use my hand here and blend. You see, so it is a bit lighter than my natural tone, not by much. So this is going to be great for concealer. It's very creamy. It feels like it's a little bit thicker than the foundation. The foundation is very watery. This feels a little bit more creamy. But I can tell this is going to be great. This is going to be my new go-to. My go-to concealer now is the NARS Radiant Creamy concealer. I have two colors. I have a cacao and cafe, and those typically are the concealers that I've been using for the years. Okay, so I was very excited when I found out that Fenty was launching a concealer range with a great color range, and I went ahead and I jumped on it. Retail price $26.99. Again, color 430. Blends in seamlessly. I am excited. I can't wait to try. I actually use both of these products together. I also do have the primer, the Pro Filter primer from Fenty. I have it around here somewhere. I need to actually find it. The bottle actually broke, so I'm gonna have to transfer it to a new, like probably like a little travel bottle or something like that. But I want to use all the products together and see how do a full face like that for you guys, and see how, you know, a full face of Fenty looks. I also have the foundation brush as well, so look out for that video sometime soon. So moving along from these two products, my holy grail and my new baby, can't wait to test her out. But the final product that I got from Fenty was this Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I got it in the color Nutmeg, which is supposed to be great for 400 to 490 color range in her foundation formula. So let's go ahead and click this bit. This one was $39. Retail price $39. So wow, first of all, look at how sophisticated this is. I feel like I'm all fancy, like you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, this is nice packaging. This is nice packaging. Like it's dense, it has a little weight to it, but it's not too heavy. But it's sexy and sleek and chic and sophisticated. I can dig it. So again, this is in color Nutmeg. Pro Filter Setting Powder or Finishing Powder. Honey, oh, look at that. Oh, it's huge. Okay, this is how it comes. Okay, so it comes with that little thing on there. It does have the F there for Fenty. FB, it looks like, for Fenty Beauty, actually. Okay, so we took off the little clear foam there on camera. Okay, so hold on. Let's go ahead and put it. I just want to put her back. Let's see. Right, so you gotta make sure you're careful here, because you don't want to. There we go. There she goes. So you want to shake her up, get some of that product out. I really like the packaging of this. I really do. It's my kind of packaging. Okay. There's no smell. Here's the product. Just gonna go ahead and add some over top of our. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so I just added it over. Again, this is an unboxing, just a first look. Wow. First of all, the texture of the powder is so lightweight, okay? I just feel like this is just gonna like blend in seamlessly into your pores. It's so lightweight. The texture is so smooth. This looks like my exact color. Whoa. Okay, Fenty Beauty, I see you. I see you. And she has such a unique and full color range from light to dark. She wanted basically her products to, you know, for everyone to be able to enjoy her products, no matter how light or how dark, or, you know, golden undertones, red undertones, olive undertones. It just doesn't matter. She got you. And she's still, you know, formulating new formulas and extending formulas and creating new color ranges and shades, and you know, so and all her ad campaigns always feature really unique models with very, you know, what would be considered alternative looks, not necessarily the beauty standard. And I love that she represents that. I love that she's a voice for diversity and for women empowerment and entrepreneurship, and you know, she's doing a thing. And that she keeps in mind people who are melanated, who are of a deeper hue. You know, she keeps us in mind, as in addition to the very light-skinned people who, you know, maybe don't have any melanin, like the albinos and the such. Like, you know, there's something for everyone, and these products are also cruelty-free. I'm pretty sure, because I do remember doing this before on Fenty, and it was a cruelty-free product brand. Doesn't say it here on this packaging, but I'm pretty sure it is. Now let me just read you the specs on this. Light as air. So you said definitely that is, I can vouch for that. This is a very lightweight formula. Light as air setting, photo soft finish for all. Apply with powder puff setting brush to set foundation, concealer, and contour. So yeah, and she's sexy and she's fancy, and retail prices $39.99. Yeah, Fenty Beauty's where it's at. So guys, check it out. I will be coming back to do a full face using these Fenty products. I have the foundation brush. I also have some lip products. So it's going to be a full Fenty beat, okay, coming up on the channel. So stay tuned for that. Please like this video if you are a beauty or makeup enthusiast and you are a fan of Fenty Beauty. Please go ahead and share this video with all your friends, your makeup enthusiast friends, and all that. Please subscribe to my channel. It is a way for me to know that you support me, and I appreciate and need all the support I can get to continue to grow this channel. Saturday and Sunday are my new content upload days. Please follow me on social media at niquelychique. Stay positive, stay fabulous. Please comment down below. Let me know what your favorite Fenty Beauty product is. Till next time, my lovelies, stay positive, stay fabulous. Yeah.